Let's start with the environment, because when it comes to the air we breathe, every choice matters. Our cities are growing, and so is the number of vehicles on the road. That means more pollution, unless we make a change. That's one of the biggest reasons people are switching to EVs. They're not just a new trend, they're a response to a real need for cleaner air and healthier cities. Electric cars have zero tailpipe emissions. That means no carbon dioxide, no nitrogen oxides, and no particulate matter coming out as you drive. No exhaust, no fumes, just clean air. Imagine walking down a busy street and not smelling or seeing any pollution from cars. Imagine city traffic without the haze of smog. EVs can make that a reality. Cleaner air isn't just a dream, it's something we can achieve with every electric vehicle on the road. Cleaner air means healthier communities, especially for kids and the elderly. Less pollution means fewer asthma attacks, fewer respiratory problems, and a better quality of life for everyone. Now some ask, what about the emissions from power plants? That's a fair question, and it's important to look at the whole picture. Generating electricity centrally is often much more efficient than millions of individual gas engines running in every car. Power plants can use advanced technology to reduce emissions, and they're easier to regulate. Plus, our energy grid is getting greener every year with more renewables. Solar, wind, and hydro are making up a bigger share of our electricity mix. That means the electricity powering your EV gets cleaner over time. Every year, your car's environmental impact shrinks, without you having to do anything extra. An EV you buy today will have a smaller carbon footprint in 5 years, without you lifting a finger. It's a car that actually improves for the planet as the world around it changes. Gasoline cars, on the other hand, pollute just as much on their last day as their first. No matter how long you own them, their emissions never get better. The environmental benefits of EVs aren't just a snapshot. They improve as technology and infrastructure evolve. Every new charging station, every upgrade to the grid, makes EVs even cleaner. It's a car that gets cleaner the longer you own it. That's something no gas car can promise. That's a revolutionary shift in the automotive world. It's not just about driving, it's about making a positive impact every day. For anyone who cares about the air we breathe, that's a huge win for electric. Cleaner cities, healthier families, and a brighter future for everyone. The future of clean driving is already here, and it's only getting better.